the Walnut has been developed fully in line with our mission. That's something that we look at every day with every project. First thing that we look at is, will this product energize how people meet and how people teach? We are convinced that this product will help you to bring in more energy into a larger room, a large conferencing room, or an auditorium by using the interactivity on this product. Sustainability, of course, is super important. All our products that we develop has to be sustainable. Also here with the Walnut, we spend a lot of time on lowering the power consumption, making sure that all the components are sustainable, and also lowering the weight as much as possible. And then last but not least, connect. We always want to ensure that our products help to connect between each other, that the presenter connects with the people in the room, but also that the presenter connects with the technology. And the technology has to be as simple as possible to ensure that it's used by the presenter. Before the Walnut introduction, we had already a very nice coverage, starting from 43-inch until the i3 Touch Ultra, 105-inch, that already covers a bunch of rooms. But now by introducing the Walnut, we can also cover the largest rooms out there, the largest auditoriums and conference rooms. As mentioned, the i360 will come in two sizes, 165 and 138-inch. Where will the Walnut make a very impressive difference? Of course, if we compare with, like in this control room, 8 displays where you see very visible the bezel between the displays, or in rooms where a projector is with, of course, a very limited brightness, there the LED wall will make a big difference. Next to that, we also want to make a very important or impressive difference by bringing in interactivity into large rooms. So this is one of the most unique features of the Walnut, is that we want people to use the interactivity that we know today from regular classrooms or smaller meeting rooms, to bring that same interactivity also in larger rooms, to make sure that the presenter is able to annotate on the i360 in this case, and that the people in the room, the attendees, they can see whatever is happening or whatever is annotated, they can see it on a large screen with a super nice contrast ratio and brightness.